Welcome back, guys. We're doing a garden update today. You know it's fall, so we're going to take off what we can take off. If more grow, let it do so. I've already got my seeds for the next season. Little jalapenos, they'll stay on. Everything's shriveling on up, y'all. We got some bell peppers, turn red. Nice bell peppers. Few bell peppers on here. Yep, so we'll get those those bell peppers off. Baby,
Hey,
you gonna say hey to the family?
how you doing, family? Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Finna give me a little chop on. Stay tuned.
Yeah, so if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do so. If you have subscribed already, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's jump right on in. Come on, honey. I guess we'll take all those bell peppers off before they go bad. We had a lot of frost here, y'all, and everything is still hanging on. There's one right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off whatever we can take off. I'd rather it be a little under than over. Now we'll leave them little babies on there. These right here, medium size, we can take those. So how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing fine, doing well. Okay.
One more. Yeah, he had.
I didn't see it either. It's a nice little one. Nice. You can get those. Y'all see I let my okra go. I told y'all in a few videos back I was gonna let it go so I can get some seeds. So I got 2 parts of seeds. We're gonna take those off, and then we got one here that's ready. Okay, go ahead and get those. Oh, yeah, baby had already got some off. So go ahead. Oh, here go another part. Okay. So I got plenty of seeds for next season. Go ahead, okra galore. Just put them on in there too. You can hear the seeds in them. Let me see it. Can't hear it like you hear it in the other one. Yeah, you can hear it in this one. Good old seeds. Banana peppers. We ain't got nothing on here. 2 little banana peppers. But y'all know this banana pepper gave us so much love this year. This banana pepper plant gave us a lot of banana peppers this year. I don't want that. Throw that sucker out. Okay. Come on over here to these candy cane. Go ahead and take that banana pepper on off. Okay. You can leave that one on there. And then it's still blooming, y'all. A lot of this stuff still blooming right along. Okay. Candy cane peppers. Come on right here.
We got a lot of here.
That little baby one. Well, it ain't no baby because they're just as big as it done get.
I think he ready.
I'll take his end on off of there too. Yeah, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button so y'all will know when we post a video.
Oh, I got a feel over here.
Oh, and if y'all want us to subscribe to y'all, just leave it down in the comments. And then I click on your profile and go straight to your channel and subscribe. Yeah. There's something over here too. Whoops. Is everybody ready for Thanksgiving? Leave a thumbs up if you're ready for Thanksgiving. Because I must say, I am ready for Thanksgiving myself. Okay, that's it, I think. I'm ready to tear this tomato tree on down. But then I look and saw another one done grow. So I keep it and get that one.
It's steady blooming.
That one need to be took off. It's done bust. Look at these peppers, y'all. These peppers be so good. They really do. I will be growing these again next year. You can take all these off. Okay, and then I think it's some back here. Okay.
It's still blooming.
Yeah. Probably what grows on this one. If anything else grows, I'm just gonna leave it on there. Try to get some seeds.
They grow. The peppers seem like they grow better when it's look better cooler.
Okay, now this one
pluck this one
is full of them. Yeah, you gotta just get on in there. Okay, this one, it's a big pepper plant here, y'all. So, give me a couple of ticks. Okay, y'all, we about finished getting them off of there. And y'all remember, the caterpillars ate all my little onions up. Now the caterpillar's gone because it's cool outside. And look how long it's done get. Okay, let's move over here. Yeah. Let's see what we got, y'all. Look how bright red they get. So ain't none ready on here. But I think I'm gonna take it anyway. Well, no, I can't take it anyway. There's three of them. Three of them off of that. So just take the three. And leave the rest. Okay, and then y'all, the pineapples. The pineapples are still looking good. Now, we knew we weren't going to get none off our bushes this year. It'll be a while before we get some off them bushes. But the pineapples look good. And then this will be the last one. And that's the blueberry bushes. It's the last one. Now I come out here in the morning and water them. Look how beautiful they look, y'all. I will be doing these again. Most definitely. Okay, this one we have so far, y'all. Next year will be a better year, that's for sure. Ooh, they smell so good. You smell it?
Mm-hmm. We also cook with everything that we grow, and it's a better taste
Yeah,
than
it
you going
is.
to the store.
That is true. True, true. You can get this one too. Let me see if I can get it. Oh. We still ain't put the plastic up to close it off.
So we're going to get to it.
But hopefully we get to it. Get that one because I can't get it off. And then there's some hanging over here. Whoops.
I wasn't ready.
Yeah, just them two over there. I think we did good for not being out here as much as I used to be out here. We got a lot, y'all. Well, we always get a lot. Ooh. Trying to focus it in, y'all, so this will be my thumbnail. But yeah, I guess it's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Probably the last harvest of this grow.
Strawberry doing that.
Yeah, they about to die though. Strawberries again, yeah. They didn't give me not one strawberry this year. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video, guys. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you good people in the next video.